Hi there, we're here at Park Jeep, Customer Appreciation Days at Trollhagen, and well, we're just here to help anybody out that needs it. There's a lot of newbies here. We'll see what happens. So, Park Jeep is a private event. It's a Customer Appreciation Days for Park Jeep. Park Jeep is a dealership that has been sponsoring part of our Memorial Weekend for many years. In fact, since the beginning. And we allow them to have their Customer Appreciation Days here at Trollhagen every year, piggybacked against one of our events, one of our club-only events. It allows new Jeep owners to come out and trail ride with old Jeep owners to see what their vehicles are capable of. Well, we got our first recovery, just a little one. The Gladiator got high centered on a log, so we're gonna back up to him and tow him off. Might have to hit a little harder and a little bit of an angle. So you go one tire over at a time. All right, here we go. Well, one more time. That was fairly easy. Let's see what's next. Well, looks like we got another one. He looks like he's in a real predicament. I gotta see where I'm at.
Forward a little. What's that? You can pull me forward a little, that might be enough. up to the, yeah.
Yep. And then we'll see if we can get you back down.
Yep.
Backwards.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna see if we can move over a little bit and pick the front end of him up.
Keep going.
Backing up, backing up, backing up.
Yep.
Backing up, hold that. Backing up a little bit. Backing up.
Yep.
Backing up, backing up. Hold that. Backing up. Go, go, go. Okay, hold that. Hold that.
Hang on.
Just, yeah. Hold on. Do you want him in neutral? Then at least might roll the.
No, I want the rock to fall.
Yeah.
It's pinched up in there. Maybe you go a little higher, you could get
Turn it to the left.
Driver. Yep, you just hold it. You're all good. It's about to fall.
Yep. I think you. There you go.
There you go. Hold on. Yeah. Slowly go back. Yep.
Yep.
There you go. Back, almost fast. Reverse.
Back into reverse.
Reverse, just a little bit. That's good. Almost to the ground. Alright, you can hold that. You're past it. Let me get your creases. Got brake on. There we go. Okay, well, we got him off of that rock. He got back down the hill. Now we got to get out of here.
It's heavy, that's all. Yep. Very heavy.
Well, that wasn't too bad. Well, looks like we're bypassing our way out to go get lunch. It's lunchtime. Well, lunch was good. We had Subway, and now we're headed back out onto the trail.
What trail are we gonna go on? Eric and White.
I don't know. Maybe we'll go on blue. So, what's the weather report?
I'd say it's a cool 65, max 70.
Yeah.
The sun is out. A little bit of a breeze.
Okay. Well, looks like we got one of our wreckers rolled over. Well, unfortunately, we didn't have the cameras rolling, but you can see in this picture how he caught the left front tire on a vine and pulled part of a tree down on his hood. That distracted him enough to cause him to roll over. Fortunately, we were there with our wrecker, so we quickly rigged up to pull him back onto his wheels. We hooked our boom cable to just inside the left rear tire to the axle to twist the truck back onto its wheels. No problem. So we got it back almost upright. We want to bring it backwards a little bit, so we're going to use his winch, and we're going to winch off a tree here with a tree protector and see if we can winch it backwards. Well, I forgot to turn the camera on. That worked out pretty good. Well, anyway, he checked the oil and everything. It was a diesel, so it fired right up, and he's headed back to camp. We got to go catch up with the group. Well, as far as the torque converter is concerned, I'm still not sure. It acts different while I'm trail riding it, but I haven't had one on the hook yet. I haven't had to recover one out of the woods, so I don't really know if it's any better or worse. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. That's it for today.